Hi everyone, this is ASKA NAILS. In this video, I will show you how to make jewel nails. This attractive design has the shine and dip like a real jewel, and the diamond-shaped surface makes it shine, allowing you to wear jewels on your nails. It is explained in detail so that even beginners can easily understand it. So please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. I will be using nail tips, but if you are applying it directly to your natural nails, start by prepping your nails first. File the surface lightly to remove oil, apply a base coat, and let it cure. First, let's apply the base color. This time, I want to make a blue jewelry, so I will use this denim blue as the base color. Depending on type of jewelry you want to make, try changing the base color to your favorite color, such as green, pink, or red. Once the entire surface is coated, let it cure. Normally, you need to apply 2 coats of color gel to get a dark color, but this time I wanted it to remain transparent, so just 1 coat is fine. Next, apply magnetic gel over this. This is aqua green. Apply this to the entire nail. Once you've applied it all over, leave it uncured and use a magnet to make it shine. Move the magnet closer to the center of your nail to bring the glitter particles closer to the center. Once it's in the middle, let it harden with the light. Next, paint a light blue over this. This is the denim blue I applied first, diluted with clear gel. Apply this to the entire nail to make the magnet shine blue. Once the entire surface is coated, it will harden. Next, put the Aurora Flakes. I'm going to use purple flakes here. First, apply a thin layer of base coat to the center. Remove flakes with a wood stick or silicone pusher and apply it to the center of the nail. Make sure to stick it firmly so that the flakes don't pop out. Once applied, harden with a nail light. Next, use black to add depth to the jewelry. Once you apply a small amount of black on your brush, place it on the outside of your nail and quickly pull the gel toward you to create a simple gradation. If you apply too much gel at once, it will not work, so try to take as little as possible. Repeat this to go around the nail once. Once this is finished, let it cure. Next, coat the entire surface with a non-white matte coat before applying mirror powder. Before applying mirror powder, be sure to apply a matte coat to prevent the powder from scattering. Once the entire surface is coated, let it cure. Next, use icing gel to draw plumpy lines. Take some gel with a long thin line brush and draw random lines on the diagonal. Once you finish drawing, it will harden. Next, rub mirror powder on the lines you drew. After rubbing, brush off any excess powder. Next, let's prepare the sheet to be used for jewel nails. Vinyl that is too thin like this tends to wrinkle easily, so I recommend one that is as thick as a clear file. Place this sheet on your nail, and first, cut out a piece that is a little smaller than the length and breadth of your nail. Once cut out, connect the middle of each side and cut out a diamond shape. The preparation is now okay. Next, apply hard clear gel to the nail. If you use a normal clear gel, it will be too smooth and drip easily, so use thick and harder clear gel here. Once you have spread it all over, take another generous amount of gel with your brush and apply it to the center of your nail. With the center still thickened, gently place the diamond-shaped sheet on top. Once the sheet sticks to the gel, guide the gel to the corners of the sheet. If the gel doesn't spread all the way to the corners of the diamond-shaped sheet, the diamond cut won't look good. So use a long thin line brush to pour the gel all the way to the corners of the diamond-shaped sheet. Once the gel has spread to the edge of the diamond-shaped sheet and formed a solid corner, it will harden. Once it's cured, remove the diamond-shaped sheet. Flip it up from the end and remove it. The diamond cut is now complete. After removing the sheet, if the corners are too sharp and get caught, try wiping off the uncured gel with ethanol and then using a file to remove the stuck parts. Finally, coat this with a non-wipe top coat. Once the entire surface is coated, it will harden. That's it! With a sense of depth and a diamond-like cut style, the nail design is truly jewel-like. How did you like the jewel nails? This jewel nail art is a nail art that became very popular in Japan about 5 years ago. If you haven't tried it yet, please give it a try. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more video like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.